in this environment of growth, what is it that we at SEBI believe is critical to continuing this growth? And the answer is very simple, it is trust. We know that what has come till now has been built on trust. We know that what will take us now from where we are to being many times our size, the trust that the investors, whether they are our retail investors, whether they are our institutional investors, foreign investors, trust is the most important factor. It's the foundation of growth. If that trust is belied at any point in time, the entire edifice can come down like a pack of cards. So it is crucial for each one of us, not just for the regulator, to ensure that this trust in the system is maintained. Now, what is it that are areas of collaboration? Now, nobody in the system wants mischief in the market, right? Because what happens when there is mischief is trust is eroded. And when trust is eroded, two things happen. Number one, to rebuild that trust takes a very long time. And not just for the person who did the wrong thing, but trust in the entire ecosystem goes down. The second thing is that because there is mischief in the market, the regulator has no option but to come back with a mechanism to try and check that mischief. So you get some more regulation. So what is really important is that the industry knows better than anybody else what mischief is going on in its industry, right? So again, I would urge the association that one of the mandates that you must carry is to bring forth to the regulator any instances of mischief in the market which are going on, so that the regulator can take early action and not wait until it explodes in the system and then we have to come down with a heavy hand. So in any case, this is something which happens all the time, all over the world, including with us. The good players come and warn us about mischief in the market. Again, not because necessarily they are trying to be the good Samaritan, but in their own self-interest, because when good people see bad people gaining market share or gaining in the industry through bad practices, it's very frustrating, right? I've been in your shoes. I mean, I've seen people where, I would never even dream of some of those practices, but there are competitors out there who are doing it. And you're seeing yourself losing market share on account of mischief and malpractice. That doesn't help anybody. So again, I would say good guys need to win. And to make sure that good guys win, you need to come and tell us what mischief is going on so that we can stop it early on. And it's in your own self-interest to come and tell the regulator what are some of the bad practices happening in the market. And that's, therefore, as I said, another important role of the association. Now, what I call mischief, at what stage it crosses the line and becomes fraud, right? This is an extremely, extremely important issue for the regulator. So it's very important that something which is not of huge proportion, if it is caught early, it is mischief. If it is caught when it acquires huge proportions, it is fraud. Also, the question of nature and character. Mischief is you're playing at the edges, you're playing in the gray. Some people draw the line at light gray, some people draw the line at dark gray. You're playing in the gray. But fraud is a question of intent. You are knowingly doing something which is not right for the investor because there is some other interest that you are serving. Now, this a regulator tries to encode in its laws, but you know and I know that each one of us recognizes fraud from a million miles away. We may argue the definition in a court of law, but when you see the facts of a case, you know and we know that this is a case of fraud, right? After that, the lawyers can do a lot of hair splitting, but we know, ye to fraud hua hai. So the question really that arises again for the association is what is it that you do by way of your practices, by way of your election of office bearers, by way of the kind of approach to, to advocacy in terms of the regulation. And I can tell you, we've had such a positive experience from a number of our constituents. I'd like to take you quickly to the next one, which is standards. And you're familiar now that SEBI had started a pilot program of Industry Standards Forum. I can't tell you how delighted we are with our experience on that. So the Brokers Association and all the 3 major broker associations came together, I think perhaps for the first time, 3 logos on 1 letterhead, writing to us. And we encouraged them to seek inputs from all of their members. I'm told that they got over 100 suggestions, and over 50 of those suggestions were rejected by the forum itself, not even brought to the exchanges or to SEBI, saying that this is nothing but mischief. These recommendations are designed to allow people to do mischief, so we are not even going to put it forward to the regulators. Now, I'm saying that is the maturity. So you can imagine when we see that, how much respect we then have for that forum, so that when there are items which they bring before us, we know that it has passed through their filter. And as I said, who knows better than the industry itself? So let me tell you, if half of those things had come to us, if those 50 had come to us, maybe we would have detected mischief in half of them. The other half, the reality is we don't know enough about the ground. So they may have slipped in. But this was the maturity of the industry forum, while setting its standards, to say, no, this is mischief, and we as a forum will not allow it. Far from, proposing it, we will not even allow it. If it were to come up, we will actually reject it.